We have completed finding keywords for the 3 silos. Let us now prepare the site blueprint by putting all of them together. These are the keywords for the individual silos. This is the twin mattress silo. Here's the memory foam silo, and this is the air mattress silo. This worksheet contains all of the individual silos and their keywords. Here's where the home page sits in the hierarchy. Each of these keywords will be on a separate page. We will need 3 additional pages: About Us, Privacy Policy, and Contact Us. We will see how to create these when we discuss building the site. Here's why this model works. Pages that are very closely related topically are all put in the same silo. This makes every page within each silo very relevant to whatever the central theme of the silo is about. This happens because each page is linking to several other pages on the same topic, and several other pages on the same topic are linking to it. For instance, each page in the twin mattress silo will link to several other pages about twin mattresses. In addition, several pages on twin mattresses will link to that page. This is what makes silos so very powerful. The mistake many affiliates do while building Amazon affiliate sites is this. They try to rank for the big search volume phrases with a new site that has no relevance for what they are trying to rank for. They might try to rank for best air mattress, which gets 12,000 searches a month, but their site may not have more than 15 pages about any kind of mattresses. Without at least 30 to 35 highly informative pages about mattresses, Google will not see the site as being very relevant. When they find they are not ranking where they want to, they try to use powerful PBN links to force their way up the rankings. Google's algorithms can see through such efforts easily now, and brute force methods like those do not work as well as they once did. Working with a blueprint like this is infinitely better. You make your site relevant to whatever you want to rank for, and over time, your site will rank relatively easily without having to build too many links. With this model, the page about best air mattress is linking to several other pages about air mattresses, and several pages about air mattresses are linking to the page best air mattress. This builds relevance, and with a few relevant external links, this page will rank in the top 10 much more easily. Pages in different silos do not link to each other as far as possible. A page in the air mattress silo will not link to a page in the twin mattress silo or a page in the memory foam silo as far as possible. This prevents leakage of relevance. There's one other reason why this model works. Each silo has several keywords that have a keyword difficulty score less than 20. These pages will rank in the top 10 easily, and these pages will be linking out to other pages within the silo that are built around more competitive keywords having higher search volumes. If you want a page to rank high in Google, one of the easiest ways to do that is to link to that page from other pages on the same topic that are already in the top 10. That is what is happening here. In the air mattress silo, we have the following keywords that have a difficulty score less than 20. Air mattress for sleeper sofa, Embark air mattress reviews, replacement cap for air mattress, repair kit for air mattress, Coleman air mattress reviews, Beautyrest air mattress reviews, sheets for air mattress for truck beds, and patch kit for air mattress. These pages will rank high easily. Since they link to the page best air mattress, that page will get a huge boost in the rankings because these are all pages about air mattresses and they will be ranking in the top 10 or top 20. This is what makes silos work. Of course, the on-page SEO of each page has to be excellent for this model to work. We will see how to make your on-page SEO outstanding later in the advanced on-page SEO section. In the next few videos, we will discuss how to create similar blueprints for niche sites. For some reason, not everyone wants to build siloed sites. Maybe because siloed sites take a long time and a lot of effort to build. So, we will see how to create niche site blueprints.